reports. An excited Charles Walker leaving the premises of the Federal High Court. Earlier, the court had commenced his trial and that of the co-accused person, Kingsley Nwabeze, for complicity in the bombing that killed a dozen people and injured 17 on October 1st, 2010. At the last hearing, Walker and his co-accused told the court they were ready for trial. As soon as the judge arrived, the prosecution called the first witness, the exhibit keeper for the Department of State Services, who tendered a list of 13 exhibits submitted to him by investigative officers. The defense lawyers rejected the list, which, according to them, was prepared in July 2014, several years into the lifetime of the case. However, they were overruled by the judge. The trial was to continue outside the courtroom following an application by the prosecution that one of the exhibits, a Mazda 626 with registration number FKY 319 FKA, could not be brought into the courtroom. At the proceeding outside the courtroom, the prosecution tendered the vehicle as exhibit from the bomb incident. The trial was then moved back to the courtroom where the other 12 exhibits, which include 10 camouflage bulletproof vests, 30 black military belts, 20 jungle boots, and 34 water holsters, were tendered as evidence. Others were 2 camp tents, several water bottles, and assorted camp stands and hooks.
We have formally opened our case for the prosecution on behalf of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and we have called our first witness. It was a long witness, and which you have all witnessed, and we have also tendered some exhibit before the court.
For the defense counsel, it is a good start for the trial, even though some of them expressed concern that the evidence listed as exhibits from the bomb incidents in Abuja was said to have been brought from Port Harcourt, River State.
Hearing has started for the first time today in the case.
That car was brought from Port Harcourt and not Abuja, so it has nothing to do with the bomb blast.
After the examination of the prosecution witness, the court adjourned to the 27th of April 2015 for continuation of trial. Amaka Ukafo, Channels Television News.